Hi, today we're going to be taking a unboxing review of E-CiRCUiT Charge and Sync Dot. So it has a 1.0 amp power to it. So yeah, here on the back it does say that it's Android compatible, so Android phone. If you hear like a Samsung Galaxy that I believe takes Type C, yeah, this ain't gonna work. And if you have an Apple phone, definitely, this is not gonna work. Easy access to a USB port and fits micro USB, great for transferring your photos, music, contacts, etc. So there's two things. So one, remove support from the base of the docking station. Two, quit into position as shown here. So yeah, bought this over at the dollar store for $1. There's like two colors. There's this black version and then there's a white version. Here's the black version. So let's go ahead, open it up, see what it's all about. So here is what the top, that little support plate. You just slide it in. It kind of lays flush there. Take it out like that. Let's get the cord done here. It's not going to be a super long cord, but it's going to be enough to get the job done. So we take a little back plate support, and as you can see, there's this little part right here on the front. You want to put that part facing your phone, so just clip it into place like this. You do want to hear the snaps, and take said phone and put it on in there, and it's going to be in there. So to make sure that this thing works and stuff, let's go ahead and give it a try. And nothing. Maybe that one's dead. I didn't charge it. Let's see here. Nope. Nothing going on with that one either. I know I should have juice in one of these. Nope. Huh. Give me a second here. I want to try something else out real fast. Kind of has to be off camera, but I just want to make sure that it's not. Okay, this is the first product that I have from dollar store that does not work. I put it into a power charger, on the wall. It doesn't work. I got these little power banks. It's not working, so yeah, I have no idea why it's not working. Unless my phone's not in there all the way. Nope. I'm going to take that off and try it with cable here. Just don't try to make sure. Yeah, it's definitely this. So, unfortunately, this is the first one that I had from this E-CiRCUiT brand that I bought from the dollar store that does not work. I mean, there's other E-CiRCUiT brands. This company E-CiRCUiT, there's other products that they make. It works beautifully. I mean, you buy a charging cable, something like this, it works. You buy a little block to go in the car or something, it works. It just works. This, it doesn't work for some reason. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of the E-CiRCUiT Black Charge and Sync Dot. Remember to Alright, let's get the camera focus here. There we go. So yeah, we managed to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below in the description. Alright, thanks, bye.